Welcome to another tutorial in Python. Welcome to our channel Complete Python course Python Hello World class. Today we will learn how to create our first class in Python and we will name it as Hello World class. So in the previous video you learned how to install PyCharm and develop a simple program. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can create Python Hello World class and write a method inside the class, then create the object of class and call the method. So I am going to create a new Python file. I am going to name it as my hello world. Python is an object oriented programming and it provides support for classes and objects. So within the class we can write our own code and that will be packaged inside the class, and we cannot access the logic of that class outside the class. So we will have the methods inside the class through which we will be calling the functionality of the class. Class my hello world, and it should end with the colon, then press enter. I will define a function, and to define a function we will use the def say hello, and we are going to write print hello. So this is our class and we are going to create the object of class. And the class is going to be my hello world, and we can call this method hello dot say hello. So we have a class here, then here we have defined say hello method, and inside the method we are going to call the print method and pass the hello as message. So run this class and it is printing the hello message. We are going to create another method. Now we are going to define another function which will take a parameter. Now we are going to write another function which will take one parameter. Say hello to user, and this is the username. Print and format the string using f. Hello, and then the placeholder. Here in the placeholder we will write the username which is coming from here. Now we can call this method hello dot say hello to user, and username write John. Now we can run the code, run it. So it is printing the hello and then hello John. So this way we can create a class, and inside the class we can write the methods and we can call the methods. So let's see how we can return some value from the function. Or we can write test function and it will take the parameter username and age. So it is going to take two parameters and return the message f, a placeholder, hello this user, your age is age. Now if we call this function, hello dot test function, and first is username, William, and second parameter is the age. We can write 26, and we can print this. So it's going to print the message here, which is returned by concatenating these. So run the example and you will see it printed, hello William, your age is 26. So this way you can create a class in Python and write the method inside the class and use and call these methods. So this is for creating the object of the class, then this is for calling the first method, second method, and this method which returns the a value. So in this tutorial you learned how to create your first hello world class in Python and write the function inside the class, create the object of the function and call the methods. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials